Okay, this time we will be modifying my new packraft a bit. This is just out of the packet, the MRS Nomad 1-person packraft dash kayak hybrid, I would say. It has both ends are pointed and yeah, it's longer than a normal packraft. And as usual, it comes without rigging, so I will be adding perimeter lines to both ends of this. For this I will be using this climbing accessory cord. I think 5 millimeters or maybe 6, I think 5. It has reasonable contrast against the blue color of the packraft. So that's what we will be doing now. Alright, so let's start from the end here. Bowline knot. So there is a pond and then there is a snake living in the pond. Comes out of the pond, goes behind the tree that is growing outside of the pond, and it goes back in. Like this. Paalusolmu in Finnish. And it could be a bit tighter, so there is no chance of getting anything in to the knot, so I try to adjust it a bit. I will retighten them after the first trip, after they get wet. Alright. Then I will attach them here. Through here. Then we go again through the loop. Like that. Tighten it reasonably tight. It is quite full at the moment, so, and then I will go under this bend here, through it, like that. I don't think it's that important what kind of knot you use here, but just something so that if one of these becomes loose, the other one is not. Some prefer it the other way, I have heard. So that if you need to cut it here, then everything comes off. Well, up to you. And so on. The next one. Okay, yes, this is different from my previous packraft. The zipper goes all the way under it, so not too tight. From here, like that. And then through this loop here, or again, whichever knot you prefer to use. Reasonably tight, not too tight. Alright, now I can pull from here already, even if this is loose. Yeah, it is quite nice yellow-blue contrast. Now, come from this side in, come through the pond again, like this. Okay, quite tight. Maybe even a bit more. Then behind the tree, here. And back into the pond the snake goes. Here. Now I need to cut this one. Just first I check that it is indeed tight enough. The boat is quite full at the moment. Yeah, that's good. I can even get it even with the thick gloves. And this one could be a bit tighter. And again, we want to avoid any big loops here. Alright, here we are. Then we will need scissors or a knife and some fire or heat. So I'll leave like 2 inches, maybe 5 centimeters. Yeah. Watch out for your new packraft. Don't burn a hole in it. That would suck. Yeah, I'll wait until it is cool enough to touch. Yes, now it is. So I don't melt the raft. Alright, so here we have the other end. So first, bowline Too loose. So let's tighten it a bit. Again, let's leave about 5 centimeters. Like that. And finish the end. Taking care not to burn the packraft. Or yourself either. If you have fireproof fingers, you can try to mold it a bit the end, like to make like a mushroom shape so it doesn't flow through here so easily. All right, that's it.